channel. This is me, Waitara, and as you can see, I'm in bus. I'm on my way to Delhi. I have some work, and like, you know what the fucking thing is? ये charging point, ये USB लगाने वाला है, and मेरा जो type है वो मेरा charger है जो USB वो इसमें नहीं जाएगा, so I have to save my battery. Like usually, like I prefer कि जब मैं travel करती हूँ तो मैं गाना सुन के जाती हूँ, and मेरे को लग रहा है गाना थोड़ी देर के लिए सुनूंगी and I will sleep more. Yeah. फिर I gotta save my battery. Oh God. But the bus looks pretty nice, and तो गाइस बाहर में बारिश हो रही है और मैंने ये जैकेट डाल के आया था, हुडी डाल के आया। मैं सोचा ये जैकेट वापस भेज दूँ, पर जब बस अचानक से आ गया था सो मैं भूल गई, सो आई हैव टू कैरी दिस जैकेट्स। ओके, सो दिस इज माय आउटफिट गाइस, एंड दिस इज माय बैग। It's raining. It's raining. Good morning. So now I'm on my way to metro station. So I'm gonna meet my friend over there, and as expected, it's raining, and I left my jacket at my room box. What can be better than this? Thankfully, I'm going by metro. I'll be trying. Guys, so नया सिस्टम बन गया है मेट्रो स्टेशन का। कॉइन नहीं दे रही है, दे रहे हैं like tickets. Like I'm on my way. Guys, finally I'm back to Delhi Metro's live, and I'm waiting. My friend just called me. She's about to reach there, and I'll be there in like 30 minutes, 25. No idea. Outfit check. I've just reached, और ये एंट्री एग्जिट पता नहीं कहाँ से करा दिया। Like I told my friend to wait outside the metro station gate 1, but मेरा एग्जिट हुआ दूसरे नंबर से, so I'm looking for her.
Someone is saying I'm wearing white top. This why.
Ice cream chillin'. Ice cream chillin'.
Oh, look at mine. People are touching my tattoos everywhere.
We are going back to MC. Show your tattoo.
Everyone's touching my tattoo.
The art, show the art and the artist.
Wow.
I'm the tattoo artist, you know. I did this. कितना लिया है? Show. So hot guys. रूम में जाके शावर लूंगी, AC ऑन करूंगी,
मैं नहीं लूंगी,
AC ऑन करूंगी, then we are like थोड़ा देर के लिए सो के बैठेगा, थक गया guys.
I'll go to party without.
इसने तो सोया ही नहीं.
Really? Ah, it's too far.
तो Kari pito? Tore dito. Tore mi pasola dito. Tati pito. कैसे इसका लैंग्वेज है ना? Kati pito? Teti pito? Pati pito? Hello. Emma. Yeah.
That's one.
La toi. Kang toi? Kion toi. So So guys, I just reached back room and I'm so tired. And my friend, she is singing ping ping pong pong ping, tang ding 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 pong pong pong. So we're gonna rest for a while and then we're gonna have lunch. And my another friend is coming, so we are waiting for her. Let me have some snacks. We changed up. One of my friends, she's about to reach और हमें कुछ सामान लेना है guys, so इसलिए अभी हम लोग बाहर जा रहे हैं and outfit check. Kiantra. Bebina.
Yeah.
Judia. Bebina. Did you miss me?
Yes.
How much? How much? How much? Sleepy bitch.
Young or what?
Jetong ngabja.
Does she
Okay,
look
dong.
young with her
Jetong
bangs?
ngabja.
With her bangs. Took drugs, that's why.
Oh,
I think so. I think so.
I
She's
believe.
taking drugs.
I believe.
tukjao.
I'm sure. Yeah, I don't think so. I'm sure about it.
Jetting 건.
So
jetong. Normal, 뭐 별제단 jetting 건.
Why do I look beautiful?
you are. She is beautiful.
된다.
Indeed.
보통 급자.
I think she met a vampire in those past few weeks. Huh?
And the vampire took out her whole blood and fat.
Yeah. See.
어떤 tukja ngabja 되다 그러면 jetong 쏘가.
Tuji che for the drink and kesi rang la thanga nye na de ragre das. Every kind of thanga. See, good collection. The Dragon House ki dam la race. Bola.
ये स्विस कैफे का है? Oh.
Following.
Which way?
It's dark. It's very, very dark.
Sata! Where are you taking me? Where are you taking me? Good morning. Good morning. So guys, I'm like almost ready and I need to change my dress and we are going out to eat, so I'm still in my nightie. So guys, I'm ready and this is my hairstyle for now and I'm wearing this.
Oh, my hair.
So we are going right now. Quick check. So guys, hotpot पहले नीचे था, अभी ये तारा हाउस में थर्ड फ्लोर पे शिफ्ट हुआ है. So I'm going there.
Miss Tara is here.
Thank you, madam. Now we are going to have ice cream. Ice cream. Where are we going?
We're going to get ice cream.
No, ice cream. Say ice cream. That's in Korean style. Ice cream. Which color do you like?
I like pink.
Homemade popsicles, ice cream. Which one? I had this one last time. It's really cute, right? I'm gonna have this cola. This one. This is which flavor? This is kiwi. This is lemonade. What do you? So guys, I chose this one, Waitara. It is Waitara. This is from my brother Sam, and Kiki is still like choosing. Yeah, your wish. There's a lot of varieties, guys. Hey guys, so हम लोग आइसक्रीम खा के like हम लोग वापस आ चुके हैं रूम पे और हम लोग I was shooting my vlog. I was making my vlog, so like वो अभी मैंने I'm done with my vlog, so अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं. हमारे फ्रेंड ने हमको डिनर पे इनवाइट किया है, so we are going there and अगर मैं शूट कर पाऊँ तो मैं like I'll shoot. So if I can't, then good night for now. Hi guys, good morning. This is the next day and like I'm done with fresh up or guys, I have to go to Saptarjang like to take some stuff and after that, by the way, I'm leaving back tonight to my hometown. So आज मैं वापस जा रही हूँ मनाली. So मैं तो कब से उठ गई थी और मेरे रेडी हो गया. मैं like I'm all done, but my friend she just woke up like नहीं उठ रही थी ये.
I didn't sleep.
Then what you were doing?
I didn't sleep. I was just closing my eyes.
Ish. Nice excuse. So, तो मुझे कपड़ा पहना है और वो फ्रेश अप हो रही है and उसके बाद हम लोग बाहर जा रहे हैं. Hey guys, so I'm helping Kiki. Kiki is doing some shopping and I'm helping her out. Just look at her face. She is so pissed off right now.
It's hot. Not that hot, but it's hot.
So guys, हम यहाँ पे बेबीना को वेट कर रहे हैं. वो विधानसभा से आ रही है, so इसका यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टाइम है, तो उसको नहीं पता. ये KFC वहाँ वेट कर रहे हैं.
Bitch. What did I say?
I'm here. So guys, हम लोग अभी चप्पल ढूंढ रहे हैं. Basitos. 10% off on membership. I like this kind of shorts.
No, he didn't.
He said that तुम लोग allowed नहीं हो.
So I'm back at Bistro.
अब
Is it?
I'm like empty. Abhi empty. Coffee, Thai coffee. What are you buying, Tara? What are you going to get? Tara, what are you buying? What is that? Thai coffee. Thai coffee. Thai language after some time.
Say.
Tara naka.
Sit and eat properly. Oh my goodness.
So they came to drop me and we are waiting for bus. Okay guys, I'll come back soon. I'll come back soon, okay? Don't cry.
So guys, this is my bag. There's another one. And this is some stuff that I bought. It's 7 and it's still empty. About to leave, I guess.
So guys, bus अभी dinner के लिए रोका है and this is me. Guys, washroom में इतना line था ना, my god, like. But thankfully, बीच में घुस के like मैं निकल गई. So and right now I'm gonna have my momo and then अपना jacket निकालूंगी. यहाँ पर रखा है so.